So today we're going to do a search on LinkedIn Sales Navigator inside Los Angeles to see what kind of population we can build for a rug company that wants to sell its rugs through interior designers. So the first thing I do is I go to the advanced search on LinkedIn, which is up here. I click on search for leads. It's going to pop up a page like this. I'm going to actually close it so that I get back to this page, and I'm going to choose the region of Greater Los Angeles, and I'm looking for and I'm typing in here on top, interior designer, and I want to exclude anyone who's retired and anyone who's a student, and this is the way that you do it. I'm going to hit enter, and I have 9,726 people. Then within the industry down here, I can further filter it down. So I chose I want to choose the design industry, which gives me 6,275 people. And now if I start scrolling through, I can see the different types of designers. And you'll see all of them say interior designer, because those were the terms that I used. And if I want to further filter it out, I can say, hey, I just want to talk to owners of interior design businesses, as an example, or I want to talk to directors or managers. So within the 6,000 people, I can be very busy for well over a year, reaching out one by one to develop relationships with them.